What's up guys, I'm Ravi KK and welcome to another Java Swings tutorial. And in this video we are going to see what are JRadio buttons. Okay, so now what are JRadio buttons? You may have come across while giving multi choice quizzes. You'll have one question and you'll have four options associated with that particular question, and you are allowed to only select one option. Okay, so that is the correct answer. So you are not allowed to select two or three or four options. Okay, just one option. So in this particular program what we'll be doing is we'll be creating three JRadio buttons and a color name of the color associated with that particular radio button, and when on click of that button the background should be changed. The background of the J panel should be changed. So let's start off with the program. So what we'll be doing is we'll be seeing the rest of the swings control, that is J combo boxes, J lists, or rest of the swings control, and along with the user interface part we'll be seeing the action listeners associated with that swings control. Okay, so let's start off with the program. First of all, what we'll be doing is we'll need to import that particular swings control. Okay, that is JRadio button. Okay, so in the same way we used to create the text fields for JRadio buttons. We'll have to create an instance of JRadio button. Okay, so that is JRadio button. Radio button. We'll give meaningful names to our buttons. Okay, that is red, green, and yellow. Okay, so calling the JRadio button class, that is red equals new JRadio button, and a label associated with the JRadio button, that is red. Okay, so in the same way we'll create for rest of the colors, that is new JRadio button, and give name to the JRadio button yellow, and remaining is green equals new JRadio button green. Okay, and what we'll do is we'll add these four JRadio buttons to a panel. Okay, so that is G panel P, and import that, and P, oops, Control Z, P equals new J panel. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll set a new flow layout manager to this particular panel. That's P dot set layout new flow layout. Okay, so now we'll add these controls to the panel, that is P dot add red. Okay, P dot add yellow, and P dot add green, and after that adding this particular panel to a JFrame. That is, first of all we'll have to set a layout manager to a JFrame as well, that is set layout. Now what layout manager should we use? Let's use new border layout. Okay, new border layout. Okay, yes, adding this particular panel to center of the frame, that is add p1 comma border layout dot center. Okay, so let's see whether our radio buttons are visible or not. Okay, let's change it to P. Let's run the code. Okay, now look at this frame. We'll have three JRadio buttons. Okay, so on click of this particular radio button, our background color should be changed. Okay, so now look at this. Whenever I click the rest of the options, all the options are getting selected. As I said in the introduction, whenever you select one option, the rest of the options should be deselected. Okay, so here all the options are getting selected. So now what is the problem over here? uh, what we'll have to do is we'll have to add all these JRadio buttons to a button group. Okay, so we'll have to create an instance of button group as well, that is button group. Okay, let's name it as BG. and bg equals new button group. Okay, so now let's try adding all these JRadio buttons to the button group. Okay, bg dot add red, bg dot add green, bg dot add yellow, yellow. Okay, so now let's try running this code. Okay, so now look at this. Whenever I select to any one of these option, rest all the options are getting deselected. Okay, so that's it for this video. We'll see what are the listeners associated with this JRadio buttons. Okay, in this video we just created the radio buttons. Okay, so if you have any doubt, please comment and please subscribe to my channel. If you have not understood any kind of thing or any concept in this video, please refer my previous videos. Okay, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.